You're stuck in a nosedive. Looks like you're trapped in a spell. Yeah. Right when it gets you, you never miss her. You fail. We can touch the sky. Love makes us feel so high. Deep in your heart.
How's it going, everybody? Today I want to show you guys a really good surround sound system that I just installed in the Humvee. It was very easy to install. It sounds awesome. It's very durable. You know, it could withstand being in the Humvee, being out in the elements, getting wet, and it was pretty cost effective too, so it won't hurt the wallet. So let's go check it out. Alright, so this is the system I'm using in the Humvee right now. It's a Boss Audio Marine system. The reason I chose the marine grade system was because, you know, it's meant to be out in the water, it's meant to be out in the elements, and I wanted this whole system to be durable and last a long time without having to do anything to it. I didn't want to have to care if I got it wet or not, and also these Humvees aren't exactly completely waterproof, so it does leak every once in a while, especially in my hardtop. My slant back one, it has quite a bit of leaks, so I just wanted an all-around good system. So right here is the receiver. It has AM, FM channels, so you can listen to regular radio stations. It also has Bluetooth, which has a very long range. I could go, you know, 20, 30 feet from the truck and still have perfect connection, have my music playing inside the speakers in here while I'm working on it, and it sounds perfect. It also has a little USB thing to connect your phone into. I haven't really tried that because I've just been mainly using the Bluetooth. I have 4 speakers in the system. I got one on each side of this little radio air conditioning box my dad made. I also have rear speakers, which are underneath the back seats. I'll show you guys how those are mounted in just a minute. But yeah, this whole system sounds great. It has very good sound quality, especially when you have it up really loud. I can listen to my music perfectly when I'm cruising on the highway in this thing. I could hear, you know, I could hear my music over the sounds of the Humvee when I'm going really fast on the highway. What else? It's very cost effective too, which I'll show you guys in a second. I have it pulled up on the iPad, so I'll show you how much it is. I'll also include the speakers and the speakers and the receiver in a link in the description, so you guys can check it out and pick a setup for yourself. And I think this whole system is very good for any military vehicle. Any outdoor vehicle that you want to upgrade the sound system on or put sound system on in the first place, because this is going to be durable, it's meant to be outside, it's cost effective, and it's very easy to install. Speaking of installation, the only other thing I had to do, other than, you know, putting all this stuff in and wiring it all up, I had to get a drop down converter, because I had to drop down the 24 volts to 12 volts, because this whole system is 12 volts. That's the only other thing, but it wasn't hard to do at all. I just wired it up from the batteries. But yeah, let's see how this thing sounds. I'll show you guys the speakers underneath the back seats, how easy it was to install, and we'll do a distance test too. I'll put some music on my phone, Bluetooth it, and we can see how far I could go without losing connection. So let's go check all this stuff out, and hope you guys enjoy the system. Alright, so please excuse the mess. It is a little bit dirty in here. I didn't really get a chance to clean it up. But here's the speaker right here. This is it underneath the rear seat. Here's the back of it. I'm going to tuck the wires in before I'm, you know, completely done with it. But just have the wires running to it from the receiver. All these are going to be tucked down, and I also have a half-inch mat, rubber mat, like a stall mat almost, that goes over here. So all the wires will be hidden out of the way. All I had to do was just cut a hole in the back of there, mount up the speakers, wire them in, and it's good to go. Here's another view of the receiver. You have the on button or mute button right here. So turn it off, turn it back on. There we go. And volume up and down. You could change the songs. All the regular controls of a radio. Right there it says it's connected to my phone. All I have to do is Bluetooth and then click on whatever song I want to listen to, and plays right through all the speakers. Alright, so here's the whole system. As you can see on the top is the speakers. You can get 2 speakers for $22. I used 4 speakers in my whole system. And then right here is the receiver, the Boss Audio Marine Gauge speaker, $74. You only need just that one. So this whole system is actually very inexpensive, and I think it's a bargain for what you get. Alright, so I got the Bluetooth connected on my phone. I just looked up some no copyright music, and we will play after it buffers. Sounds pretty good. So it's still connected to Bluetooth I got on my phone right here. Alright, so I'm going to connect my phone back up, and I'm going to walk that way out into the driveway, and we're going to see how far the Bluetooth will still connect. So I will start it back up right now, and then we'll start walking over there. So probably about 40 feet away, that's when it starts getting all choppy and the connection starts to fade away a little bit. So turn that off. So yeah guys, this whole system is great. It sounds awesome. As you can see, has quite a bit of range to the Bluetooth, and I love it. I'm gonna put it in all of my Humvees. So check it out, link in the description. Alright guys, so the sound system is awesome. I love it. I'm gonna put it in all my other Humvees as well. It's perfect for a military vehicle in my opinion, and perfect for Humvees. Stay tuned guys, we're gonna be having some pretty cool things coming up soon. We're gonna be taking this Humvee, pulling that boat on a 5-hour trip down to the Florida Keys. I'm gonna be filming all of it. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have a nice fishing week, and it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm also gonna be testing out the towing capabilities of a Humvee, you know, long-range towing. So this boat isn't exactly light. It weighs like 2,300 pounds, I think, somewhere around there. So it's gonna be a little bit of heavy load, and we're gonna see how she does on that 5-hour trek. So ultimate test coming up in think about 3 weeks. So that's gonna be really cool. Also, we have a lot of fun things planned for upcoming videos, so make sure you stay tuned guys. Hit that bell icon down below so you know exactly when I post. Stay tuned for more. Over and out.